let's go together on a date at Vets Museum. Okay, so I told myself I'm gonna visit a museum the whole of 2025. So this is my first stop, Vets Museum. Ndijonga umsebenzi ka-Esther Mhlangeni. Actually, umakhulu u-Esther Mhlangeni. If you love art, even if you're not a lover of art, guys, this work was so beautiful to see. Umsebenzi umuntu walapha eMzantsi Afrika, Mama Esther usuka eMpumalanga. As you can see, like it's all about her life, like biography or autobiography, so to speak. So look at these are so beautiful. So she's a Ndebele woman, or she speaks Isindebele. And I asked one of the ladies that work at that museum, and then she told me that this work is going to be around for a couple of months, so you can just go there, and it's free. It was free, no charge whatsoever. And just look at the beautiful, amazing work of Umama Esther. That is me, good reflection. I'm telling you, this woman painted everything that you see, like the colors. Oh my god, so beautiful. The patience, guys. It looks easy until you are given an opportunity to do this. So I really appreciate umsebenzi wakhe, and I think it's gonna go to private collectors after igqibile apha eVets Museum. If you don't know Vets Museum, it's a Braamfontein, yes, Joburg CBD. You travel to Joburg CBD and you go to Braamfontein. You can just look at Google Maps, Vets Museum in down. Right across Mandela Bridge. Yes. After you just cross the Mandela Bridge, you will see Vets Museum, and just take an hour just looking at the whole work. No mama, like, she has met so many icons. I was on the verge of tears. Dibona, like, pictures like no Thabo Mbeki. I think there was one, no Oprah, like huge people from overseas. And she was asked to do one of her paintings like on luxurious cars. This woman is a big deal, and sometimes we as African, we don't really appreciate that type of work so much, because I think because we're so used to it, so it doesn't really shake us that much. But when you